As of September 2025, Assurance Wireless supports visual voicemail for eligible customers. Availability depends on the carrier network, such as Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. Visual voicemail is available on smartphones running Android 8.0 Plus or iOS 10 Plus. It is not available on basic flip phones or non-smart devices. Most Assurance Wireless plans include the necessary data for visual voicemail. Make sure your phone is compatible and on a supported carrier network like Verizon or AT&T. Enabling visual voicemail on Assurance Wireless involves a carrier-specific setup since the service uses Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile infrastructure. On most compatible Android and iOS devices provided by Assurance Wireless, visual voicemail is enabled by default. If it's not enabled, check your phone's settings menu for voicemail options. Alternatively, download the visual voicemail app from your specific carrier's app store. If you're still having trouble, contact Assurance Wireless customer service and specify which carrier network you're using.